Hey there. So, if you're traveling, any expenses related to your travel are all deductible. So, for example, you're having a coffee at the airport, that is a deductible expense. Your, if you took an Uber or a taxi to the airport, you know, all your fares and everything, that's all deductible, right? It has to be a business travel though. Yeah, the purpose of the travel has to be business because a lot of time people do their personal travel and they want to push that in as a business expense. But a lot of time CRA would question that, and you have to prove that the travel was not of personal nature, it was for business. So the second thing is very important thing that you need to have proof of the expenses, especially related to your travel. So try to keep all the receipts with you because that's very important. And also, if you're traveling to outside of Canada, um, you have to take care of the exchange rate differences, right? The currency exchange rates. So what you can deduct is the expense converted into Canadian dollars. So what's your whatever your reporting currencies, which is Canadian dollars, you are going to convert your expense into Canadian dollars and then report it. Again, keeping receipts is the most important part. You can use Zoom Books app that we have developed, especially for self-employed people, for keeping the receipts digitally, and it also does your bookkeeping for free. So again, make sure all your expenses, all type, not the gifts. If it is a gift for business, that is deductible. But other than that, if you're doing any shopping on the duty free, that's not deductible. Um, any refreshments you have at the airport, yes, that is deductible. Again, keep the receipts for it. Um, and also keep an eye on the exchange rates. So, for example, if you're spending in US dollars, you will have to convert that expense into Canadian dollar and then use that as a deductible. One more expense that is very important is the communication. Sometimes you have to pay for communication at different airports or during your flight, and you can actually get a receipt for that as well. So try to keep that as well because that is a deductible expense. Other than that, all the normal expenses, for example, you are using a different cell phone line in a different country, keep the receipt for that expense. That is deductible. You want to keep that. It's a very important expense. It's your communication expenses, so you need to keep that as well. I think that is good for self-employed, especially consultants. They travel a lot, and in my experience, a lot of consultants, they don't get to claim their travel expenses properly. And the reason behind that is that they do not have proper receipts and record for those expenses. So again, I would recommend using Zoom Books for recording your expenses. And keeping physical receipt is always a good thing. But I know it's not easy keeping all those receipts, during your travel. So it's always handy to use Zoom Books for that purpose. All right, enjoy your travel, and I'm traveling as well. Talk to you later. Enjoy your travel. Have a safe flight. Take care. Bye.